8th grade, Unit 6, Lesson 4, Fitting a Line to Data. Problem number 1. The scatter plot shows the number of hits and home runs for 20 baseball players who had at least 10 hits last season. The table shows the values for 15 of those players. Use the graph and the table to answer the questions. A. Player A had 154 hits in 2015. How many home runs did he have? How many was he predicted to have? He had 154 hits, 26 home runs, and he was predicted to hit 21.6 home runs. B. Player B was the player who most outperformed the prediction. How many hits did player B have last season? The graph showed that player B has a little bit more than 50 hits and a little bit more than 15 home runs. So on the table, player B must have 57 hits, 16 home runs, and the prediction was 7.1 home runs. C. What would you expect to see in the graph for a player who hit many fewer home runs than the model predicted? The point would be much lower on the graph than the line. I'll circle a few of these points on the graph. Problem number 2. Here is a scatter plot that compares points per game to free throw attempts per game for basketball players in a tournament. The model, represented by y equals 4.413x plus 0.377, is graphed with the scatter plot. Here, x represents free throw attempts per game and y represents points per game. A. Circle any data points that appear to be outliers. I notice this one outlier. B. What does it mean for a point to be far above the line in this situation? A point above the line means the player scored more points than predicted. C. Based on the model, how many points per game would you expect a player who attempts 4.5 free throws per game to have? Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a point per game. That would be 4.413 times 4.5 plus 0.377, which equals approximately 20.2. D. One of the players scored 13.7 points per game with 4.1 free throw attempts per game. How does this compare to what the model predicts for this player? 4.413 times 4.1 plus 0.377 equals approximately 18.5, which means the player is scoring less than predicted. If this video was helpful, please hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.